How to set ringtone to silent or call background sound on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen, then open up the phone app. Next, we tap on the More button and then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, scroll down, then tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. Now in here, tap on Ringtone. At the top, you can choose between silent or call background sound, or you can select any other sound from the list here. But if you want to set it to silent so that when you receive an incoming call, the phone will always stay silent, then select silent. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.